Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Excel reports using ChatGPT. First, ensure your data is clean and well-organized in Excel. Next, open ChatGPT and be ready to input your data or describe its structure. We will then focus on writing precise prompts to guide the AI in generating the desired report elements. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth and successful report creation process. Once your data is ready, you can either copy and paste smaller datasets directly into ChatGPT or describe larger datasets by outlining column headers and data types. For example, you might say, I have sales data with columns for product, region, and revenue. Then, prompt ChatGPT to perform specific analyses, like summarize total revenue per region or identify the top 5 selling products. After ChatGPT provides its initial response, carefully review the generated text or code. You can then ask for specific Excel formulas, like provide an Excel formula to calculate the average sales. Don't hesitate to refine your prompts, asking for different perspectives or more detailed breakdowns. For instance, you might request, can you also include a percentage breakdown of sales by product category? For more advanced reporting, leverage ChatGPT to design complex pivot table structures or even generate VBA macros to automate repetitive tasks within Excel. This can save you significant time and effort. Remember, the more specific your instructions, the better the AI's output will be. Also, be sure to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.